Hi there, Astroblu team here, and I promise not to take up too much of your time. I'd appreciate the opportunity right now to show you a revolutionary new WordPress theme that allows you to create stunning websites easily and quickly. I don't know about you, but I've never been a fan of ugly and tedious websites. In the modern world of online marketing, good website is not enough. You need to have a great website to attract the visitors and convert them to customers. And our team is going to change the way you build websites. Our team is known JVZoo theme vendor and good reputation and reputable on JVZoo marketplace. Also, our live page builder makes it easy to build responsive, grid-based content. It's powerful to handle WordPress content editing experience. It is feel entirely familiar. It's a whole new dimension that allows you to create homepage, about us, contact, or any other pages because we know you love Page Builder. Our Page Builder uses modules as a content building block. Just add modules on your page and move it using drag and drop interface. It's all powered by Page Builder Grid Engine. This essential component generates all the codes for your layout, and it's powerful enough to handle all the pages you imagine. And we don't force you with prescribed layout. We give you complete flexibility down to decimal point. The live editor giving you the exact preview of your content that you can edit in real time. If you ever don't like the changes, the history browser lets you roll back or forward your changes. You can go back to actual versions without skipping the beat and return anytime you want. It's your personal safety net. With the row and module styles, you can give your layout a personal feel. Changes padding, spacing, and bordering with a simple input field. If you want more advanced, there are custom CSS and class field. There's no limit to flexibility, so you can make your content uniquely your own. This is one of the top quality among the market. It doesn't matter whether you're a business owner, internet marketer, webmaster, web consultant, offliner, blogger, or an affiliate. You can create almost any kind of pages and websites for your business inside WordPress with our live page builder. You can create landing page, sales pages, accounting site, auto site, spa site, lawyer site, restaurant site, business site, company site, local website, e-commerce site, personal or professional blog, and much more. See, until now you've had two main choices for WordPress themes, quick setup or customizable. And you can either pick a simple theme that lets you launch your website quickly but barely has any design options, or you pick a complicated theme that gives you plenty of customizable options but takes weeks or even months to launch like in the modern world of online marketing. That's not good enough. You need to be able to launch your website fast, and you need to be able to optimize your site exactly the way you want it. I'm here to tell you that there's a new WordPress theme in town, the one that gives you the best of both worlds. That's right, you no longer have to choose between fast setup and customizations, and you can use it to start attracting customers and making sales today. And then use it tons of customization options to optimize your site and maximize your online income. Even better, you can try out this theme absolutely risk-free. In the first 30 days, if you decide that this theme isn't the right one for you, or if there's an issue with the product and our technical support can solve it for you, we will provide a 100% refund for you within 30 days of your purchase. Also, please read our refund policy carefully. You have nothing to lose. Scroll down below this video to see how you can save big on this industry-changing WordPress themes.